kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka mumabarracks. Panguva inoyi pane nhau dzirikutendera pasocial media, kunyangwe dzimwe dziri kuuya panguva ino dziri unconfirmed. Yazobuda pachena kuti kune military officers vasiri kuva satisfied ava nemhuri yavari kupiwa. Zviri kuda pachena kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF is prioritizing senior officials just because they know kuti kana kuri kunze kwaitika chaos ndo vanotanga kukonzeresa and ndo vanoti kana vakajamuka the top leadership it can topple. Zada pina mash kwa mlato kona link m.go subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Abdanyara chiti. Since ED knows junior officers follow high command, he disregards low-ranking personnel. He faced the big sharks to ensure the sea remains silent. Anaposta picture amuru kuona chonokwa junior officers machonokwa kuzi they are struggling. Unyazikonokwa kunzi aiwa even poster yavo it is very low, they are broke. Aiwa unyazikonokwa kuzi avatsi kuvara but senior officers they are at the state house vachirarama a lavish life vane motor vehicles aiwa epamusorosoro. Topinda comments vanhu vanobuda vachikomera vachiti problem for Mnangagwa is that he doesn't have the teams that he used to work with. In the end, these new kids are mostly about money, not power. That is his biggest problem as weakness. Power doesn't show he knows this, and the sort of power around him now is loud. He is lost his touch. Even though he is a prisoner, Mnangagwa he is to be manipulative enough to be in control of all of them. That's what it means to be president and play them all off against each other. That's where he is master. That where it gets complex. Understand? Manopindo anyora achiti the same money it is giving generals, USA can offer them 30 million each for this for his head. What do you think will happen? He's played himself out of the game. Mugabe understood this, so never allowed money to follow like that. Doma developments are good pango ino chinkonzi mari ayo pango ino runyaskonokwa kunzi it is being misused. Nyika yeZimbabwe. Pina comment section medu dzafungura aim to leave am sebe chit kwech. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.